It's how I can't do this.
I will try my best. I don't think so, but yeah, I'm going to try.
Yes.
So I can do that.
I can eat it. I can also control it, but then फिर control छूट जाएगा.
I'll try.
I'll try my best.
I doubt that.
The idea is to choose the right lemon, I guess. It's a little tough.
Twitter, dude. No.
Just don't try it.
But I did that with no expression. That's how I can't do this.
It's just like a burst of flavors in my mouth.
I don't know. Either these lemons are not too sour or I don't have a palate for sour taste.
आंसू आ रहे अभी नहीं होगा.
I think I could hold a face, but I don't think I can.
This one was like particularly sour.
I'm done.
When life gives you lemons, eat them. They're not that bad.
Have as many as you can. Chew them.
Eat half of it.
No, bro.